Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to talk about this amazing liquid collagen. I absolutely love to take collagen daily. It is so good for your skin, your hair, your nails, and I like the fact that this is a liquid collagen. I absolutely love the brand Jamieson. It's something that's very natural, and I absolutely love their products. This is one that is definitely a go-to. It is strawberry flavored, so it's very easy to drink. You can mix it into water, you can mix it into different drinks that you might have, but I literally drink it just by the measuring spoon. It's 15 milliliters a day. Very easy to drink. It has improved my skin so much. This one here is the Reduce Fine Lines and Wrinkles. Within 28 days, I noticed a huge difference within 2 weeks of just how plump and fresh my skin looks. I barely wear makeup anymore. I pretty much usually just have a natural look because I love the coloring of my skin. My hair is so beautiful and shiny. It is just something I absolutely love and never want to go without, but that's just my point of view.